Let me give you a little brief history about the tree. The Latin name of it is Albizia simon. So it is a rain tree. It's a tropical tree, and it's withstood everything that's been thrown at it here for the last several hundred years. Hurricanes of heavy magnitude, and it's not just survived, it's thrived. We root pruned the tree about 10 or 11 months ago and let it sit in place while it grew new roots, and it got a chance to compensate for what was going to be this big procedure, this giant surgery, the transplant. After we root pruned, we waited the time, we came back, and then we encapsulated it. So we put this girdling system, if you will, that holds the root ball together and provides structural integrity for the tree. And then we put this pipe platform underneath it. That's about 150,000 pounds of oil field pipe, thick wall pipe that we've hammered underneath it to serve as a lifting grill for it. So it's very similar to the grill that's on your barbecue pit. And so we're lifting the hamburger up, and we have done the engineering to make sure that our grill is sufficient to counteract the 1,500,000 pounds. And then below that, we have our lifting bags. That's our arbor lift system. And the lifting bags, each of them has the capability of lifting about 250,000 pounds. And we'll take this 1,500,000 pounds and we'll roll it with these excavators being the prime movers, and they'll pull it and push it.